It's the Easter Sunday bank holiday. You're going to see relatives. You've got two kids in the car. They've both got an iPad or an iPhone, and you're using the satnav on your iPhone. You're going like 150 miles, and all your devices are going to run out of battery unless you can find a way of juicing them. And with 3 devices and 1 cigarette lighter, you need something like this. So let's take a look. Let's unbox this thing. So very simply, so get it out of the packaging. So very simply, this is a car cigarette lighter adapter with 3 power options. You can see there 2.1, 2 and 1 amp, which should be sufficient, certainly for phones, possibly for iPads. I guess we'll have to test that out, won't we?